Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi disconnected when iPhone screen is turned off. Lot of iPhone users reported that after new iOS update they are facing that kind of issue. So in this video I am going to show you how you can fix that. If you're also facing that issue, then keep watching full video. In this video I'm giving you some tips so you can easily fix that issue. Before moving to the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Let's start video without wasting any time. You open your iPhone setting app. You can see a person screen, iPhone setting app. In setting app you can see a person screen, Wi-Fi option showing here. Just tap on Wi-Fi option and you can see a person screen. Connect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi network and then tap on that icon. You can see a person screen showing here. Just tap on that and you can see a person screen. There are many options showing here. You just tap on forget network and then rejoin your Wi-Fi to that network. After doing that, make sure your low data mode is also turned off. If it's turned on, then turn it off and easily fix that issue. If that method not working, then move to the next one. The next one is open your iPhone setting again. In setting app you need to tap on general option. You can see a person screen, general option, scroll down and you can see a person screen, transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that icon and reset option showing here. Just tap on reset and reset network setting and then done that. After doing that, you fix that issue. If that method is also not working, then move to the next one. The next one is force to restart your iPhone. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just force to restart your iPhone and easily fix that issue. If that method is also not working, then move to the last one. The last one is update your iPhone if you have any pending update. If you don't have any pending update, just wait for upcoming iOS update and then update your iPhone to the latest iOS update. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.